What's up, guys? Yesterday was literally 50 degrees. Today, it's actually still warm out, but you can see it's snowing, it's sleeting. Yeah, look at all that. Oh, I missed!
You're getting so excited and you missed.
First of all, look around. Look at all this.
We're in a winter wonderland.
It's beautiful, actually. I'm actually enjoying it, to be completely honest. And I'm that person that like no snow. And my birthday's in a couple days. I hope it does snow on my birthday. We can hang out in the snow. Okay, you ready?
Clayton's throwing snowballs at cars.
I'm slowing. I'm literally gonna stop on that. You ready? You ready? You watching? You watching? Oh!
What are you doing?
Their window is open. I'm going. I'm getting out of here. They're having a crack.
Oh my god,
shit.
we're sliding a lot.
Yeah, we're sliding. Hey guys, it is 6:27. It said 7:27. That clock's wrong by an hour. But I'll show you guys. Well, because we work at 7 o'clock, so we're gonna be late. But I really don't think we can go and work. I want to know you guys' opinion. I'm just being a little puss. But remember, we live a town away. 6:27. That means you have to take the highway to get to Boone, where we work. It's literally like 12 feet of snow. Wait. Okay, here. Let me put on my. Literally, look. I went out just to start the car. It's literally snow in my shoe. Give me a minute, Alice. I want to show them too. That's why I didn't. It's crazy. I don't think we should go to work. How crazy? I don't think I'm gonna get the car out. I swear to God. You guys tell me if I'm being a pussy or not. Maybe. The door locked, so that's pretty cool too. Our building has cameras and it's secured and it's locked. You have to have a key to get in. All right, do you see those footsteps? Those are mine because I just started the car. Like, look, guys. Someone tried to, but it snowed over it. Do you see it? You see that's behind my car. Wait, you need to come too. You're the one that doesn't believe me. Oh, dang it. I thought that truck was coming. Look, this is my car right here. I have to keep the door unlocked. Look, this is right behind my car. Look at that, guys. Look, I'm gonna stand next to it, and that's up to my hip. Like, you can see. There's like.
I don't think you need to reverse. It is clear that we can't get out. Okay, I'm freezing.
I literally jumped in, you saw it.
Yes.
Try until the tow car comes. Or else we're dumb as fuck. We're gonna waste a lot of gas coming out of here.
Okay, come on.
Turn off my car. Ooh, yeah. Let's see. You saw that, guys. You comment down below when I post this and tell me if I'm just a pussy or is it actually bad. Come on. Here. Let me do it.
I have to take my shoes off, but I can't. I have to take them off. They are filled with snow. It is freezing.